welcome back to my channel, ebonystyle. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome. For my new subscribers, for my new viewers, you are also welcome to another episode, Abby, to another video. So you guys are welcome. So in today's video, I'll be ventilating a closure, like 6x2 closure, this skincare closure. I've done a video on how to ventilate before, like I've done it twice, and this is the third time I'll be doing it. So make sure you watch till the end. Subscribe, my new subscriber, please subscribe, and make sure you like, share, and give it a thumbs up. So guys, I've already done some parts ventilating this closure, and in this video I'm using attachment for this particular closure. So you guys should not miss out, because I'm going to do a video on how to turn your attachment into a ribbon, and a video on how to turn that ribbon I've done from attachment into a look-alike bow straight wig. So you guys should subscribe. In case you've not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see, so you'll be notified whenever I drop those videos, guys. So back to my ventilating process. I left a 9 for a line. Like I've already done some parts ventilated this air, so just let me tell you the way I did it. When I started, I left a 9 for a line. Like if you are ventilating, you've bought your ventilating net, you see the holes, you see the line, you see the line horizontally. It's not vertical, it's horizontal, like it is straight. So that's how you ventilate. You ventilate straight, not vertical. You ventilate horizontally. So when I started ventilating, I left a 9 for a line. Like I left a 9 for a line. I'll ventilate the first 9, I'll leave the second line, I'll ventilate third, I'll leave the fourth 9. So going back to the holes, I'll ventilate a hole, I'll leave another hole, I'll ventilate a hole, and then I'll leave another hole till I'm done. So in the middle part, like the space in the middle part, I just left just 2 holes. I left 2 holes for the middle part, for the closure part. So back to the ventilating process. I'll use this needle, I'll put it into I'll put it inside the hole, and then I'll use it to draw the attachment, and then I will knot the attachment. Like I'll put the ventilating pin inside the hole, I'll use it to draw the air, and then I will knot the hair and use the ventilating pin to draw the hair back. Like again, I'm going to put the ventilating pin inside the hole, I'll use it to draw the air and then knot the hair. Like that's what I kept doing till I'm done with the parts. That's what I did from the beginning. Till the end. And if you can see this video very well, you know you will see that everything I use in this for ventilating this closure is actually attachment. Everything is attachments, guys. So they are still processing attached to this particular ventilating air. So guys, if you've not subscribed, I advise you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, guys, so that you'll be notified whenever I drop the weave on I'll be using for this hair, and the weave on is actually an attachment also, and I'm going to turn that attachment in another video into a wig, like a bone straight look-alike. Okay, you thought I'm lying, right? Okay, now just subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see the magic happen. Like, you'll be like, is this joking? You'll be like, is this real? So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video. Once again, this is how I ventilate. I left a 9 for another 9, and when ventilating according to the lines, I left a O for another O. You get it? I left a 9 for a 9, I left a O for a O, and at the middle I left just 2 lines in the middle for the closure part. You can see how beautiful this closure turns out to be. You see how neat, beautiful, and it looks natural. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Send this video to your loved ones, to the people you know makes closures, to the people you know makes hair, to the people who really want to know how to do it. See you guys.